This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Instagram and going straight to Messages. Tap the Messenger/chat icon at the top right. That's where DMs live. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right one now so replies go from the correct profile. Once the inbox opens, glance at badges and unread markers to prioritize. If you see a message request folder, check that too. Instagram separates contacts you follow from requests, so you don't miss new conversations. Now you'll handle the messages. Tap a conversation to read the full thread. Instagram shows seen receipts and timestamps so you know context. To respond, use the text field or quick actions like voice note, photo, or GIF. Choose whatever fits your tone. If a chat is noisy, mute notifications or swipe to archive to tidy your inbox. Once done, return to the list and use filters or search to find priority conversations quickly, keeping your workflow efficient and focused. To finish, confirm replies sent and mark any messages you need to follow up on. Save or flag them so they're easy to find. Make sure notifications are enabled in Instagram settings if you expect new DMs. Toggle them on and test. If messages aren't showing, try basic fixes. Pull to refresh, log out and back in, clear the app cache, or reinstall Instagram. If problems persist, check your network and try switching Wi-Fi or mobile data before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.